What's up, s'mores? I'm Shannon Morse. Welcome to my YouTube channel all about travel and technology with an emphasis on security and privacy. As you can tell, my hair is not done. I'm wearing the same thing I am wearing in another video that you will see on this channel if you haven't watched that one yet. I am excited because CES 2020 is happening, well, on the day you see this, I am flying out there and I will be there until Thursday, getting tons of content for you. I am so excited about sharing all of the beautiful, shiny new technology things with you so that you can experience it along with me. So real quick, make sure you subscribe so you can check out all of the content that is being introduced this week. And if you want to see everything live on the show floor as I am seeing it, follow me over on Twitter. I'm at Snubs, that's S-N-U-B-S, because that is where I will be posting all of my photos that I get straight from the show floor, like immediately after I see things. As far as videos go, I will have at least 2 per day. That is my plan, as long as I have good internet. If I don't, I will just upload them as soon as possible, because you never know when it comes to conventions what kind of internet you will be dealing with. I do have a hotspot with my phone, so that is going to be my last ditch effort. This is a little heavy. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to carry this around, but I do have a 5-pound laptop in here, so maybe that's why it's so heavy. But today I have my CES Tech Gear Guide. This is everything that I am bringing to produce my shows at CES, and all of it fits into this PIKE Design Messenger 15 bag. I am so excited. I can't wait to take this thing with me. Thank you, by the way, for your recommendations online. I asked everybody on Twitter, should I bring this or my backpack? I decided on this one because it will be a lot faster for me to get things out and take pictures or take videos as I need to. Hopefully this will speed up my process and not hurt my back or my shoulders. But if it does, I guess I'm gonna see a masseuse when I get back to the Bay Area. Now, before I break into this bag and show you everything I'm bringing, I did want to thank Lenovo for sponsoring me during the entirety of CES 2020. Lenovo is bringing smarter technology to all by envisioning this world where people and businesses have access to the tools they need, the tech they need, to get their job done. Inclusiveness, trustworthiness, and sustainability is what Lenovo is trying to bring to our digital society, because that's what we are now, a digital society. Lenovo has been designing, engineering, and building the world's most complete portfolio of smart devices and infrastructure. And that kind of makes sense given that Lenovo is actually in 180 different markets worldwide. Lenovo is leading an intelligent transformation by creating better experiences and opportunities for their customers around the world. Check out everything Lenovo has to offer over at lenovo.com, and they are announcing a slew of products and devices here at CES, so hit up lenovo.com/CES to learn more about all these new tech, beautiful devices. I'm so excited. Thank you so much to Lenovo for sponsoring me, and I look forward to sharing more with you during CES 2020. Now I am ready to break into this bag and show you everything that I am bringing to the convention. Let's go ahead and start with the laptop, since that is in the back. It's easiest to access. Ooh, I'm a little amazed that the PIKE Design 15 messenger bag actually fits the Alienware 15. It's the M15, but this is my Alienware laptop, Alienware Hive. Thank you so much. This is how I'm going to be editing while I'm on the show floor. So I'm bringing this with me. Can't leave it at home. This is the only laptop I have that can edit, so this is what I'm taking with me. So excited about it too, because it does render very quickly. Inside my bag, I am bringing my Nimble 13,000 milliampere hour battery, because this does have USB-C quick charging. I have tested it with my phone. It works great, and they also supplied, this was gifted by Nimble, they also supplied a USB-C cable in the box when they sent it to me. So I will be bringing this with me. Super excited about it because this will not only be able to charge my phone, but it will also recharge anything else that has a rechargeable battery in it, which is wonderful. This is my business card. I got it done over at moo.com. CLAYMONT.com. I will put the referral link down below. It saves you a little bit of money, and it also is a referral for me, so I get a little bit of a commission. I love Moo. They make really nice quality cards. This is their soft touch one, and it feels so nice. And I also made these graphics so that they are embossed a little bit, and they look so good. Every single time I hand this to a company, I always get compliments about my card. They always look at it and they're like, oh wow, this is so pretty. So I'm super proud of them, and I put my face on my business card too. That way it's really easy for companies to recognize who I am whenever I email them in the future after the convention. If you're wondering about business cards and going, haha, old schooler, why do you take business cards with you to CES? Everybody just friends everybody on Twitter and Instagram now. Not true. If you don't bring a business card to some of those press events, they don't let you in. So make sure you are bringing business cards with you, because if you don't, it will be kind of a headache. So these are really nice to have on hand whenever you are going and you are trying to build relationships with companies. I finally got this in the mail, and this is the first convention I am taking it with me to. This is the PIKE Design Carbon Fiber Travel Tripod. Now, y'all have already seen the aluminum travel tripod on my channel because I did a review of that back in the day when they first announced it, and they gifted one to me. This one I purchased through the backer. It was a Kickstarter, I believe, but I did back it myself, so I did purchase this with my monies, and I decided to bring it with me because it is my most lightweight tripod. It takes up the least amount of space, and it fits inside my Messenger 15, so I'm not going to be banging people around with my tripod like I have in the past. Sorry to anybody at CES that I accidentally like smacked in the face with my old tripod. I apologize. I'm not going to carry this with me every single day. It does weigh a little bit over 2 pounds, I believe, and I don't need it every day because I will be doing a lot of handheld shots. I will only be using this probably at my hotel room whenever I'm shooting my A-roll or my sit-down videos like this. So that is when this is going to be very handy. What should I show you next? I'll do lighting. Get out of my way! So I bought 2 lights, and I couldn't decide because they're both really good. So I decided to keep both of them, and that way I have a key and a fill, so it'll just make my videos look better. So I was like, I'll bring both of them because they're super lightweight and awesome. So I have 2 lights here. This one is called the Lytra Pro Full Spectrum 1200 LM Bicolor 95 CRI. It's wireless, it's waterproof, it's cool. So I decided to bring this one. It comes with one of these little guys, and when you turn it on, it's very bright. Haha! Sorry if I blinded you, but this thing is bicolor, so you can do this yellow tint or you can do a much bluer tint. It also gets extremely bright, so this is only at 50%. I don't know how long the battery lasts, so if you want me to do a review of this later, I will, but that's what it looks like on the other side. This is pretty cool though. I like that it's waterproof. I'm really excited to check it out, and it is micro USB chargeable, so I won't have to bring like a bunch of AA's with me. I purchased a soft box that goes on the front of the Lytra Pro, and this really gives it a nice feel whenever I am recording. So this will most likely be my like key light whenever I am recording things, and then I will likely use the other light for my fill. So this is my other light. I love this one because it is very lightweight. It's really slim and easy to pack, and it is called the LumaCube panel. So this is my first time upgrading a light in like 5 years. I was very excited about this because it's USB-C. This one recharges with USB-C, and that is awesome. I wish the Lytra Pro also recharged with USB-C. Kind of annoying. You have to hold down on the power button quite a while for this to actually turn on, so that's kind of a thing. That's a thing with this LumaCube panel. Hopefully they change that in future versions. That would be nice. But that's what it looks like when it's turned on. Sorry it's so bright. That's what the back of it looks like. Both of them have these awesome display panels on the back of them, so I can see what temperature they're set at, and I can balance them that way. It will look great. I'm so excited. So yeah, I'm bringing both of these. Both of them also come with nice little carrying cases, and they also have mounts for a hot shoe or a cold shoe. whatever. These are my tried and true Bose QC20s, which I decided to bring instead of my big Sony honkers that I usually wear. Also, these have noise cancellation, so these will let me test the audio that's going into my audio recorder so that I can make sure that I'm not muted or that the battery died or something like that. So I will likely be listening to myself with these guys, which I'm very excited about. I have two of these so that I can have guests on my show. These are the XLR microphones that I use. These are the Audio-Technica 18899s. They do come with their own power module, which is wonderful, and I plug these into my Zoom H4n, which is my audio recorder. I've pretty much found that this coupling of the H4n and the Audio-Technica microphones sounds the best, especially when I am in an environment that has really loud background noise. So these connect very, very well with the Zoom. It just means that I have to sync audio and video whenever I'm editing or my editor is editing after I record. So that's it for the big stuff. I also have some accessories I wanted to show you. I am using the capture clip, which I put on the side of my messenger bag so I can easily access my camera, take it off, and put it back on the messenger bag whenever I need to take pictures. I'm also bringing the cuff so that I can secure it on my hand just in case I get bumped. That way I don't lose my camera or it doesn't fall, because that would be a freaking nightmare if that happened. This is the tech organizer from PIKE Design. I'll link this down below as well. And inside of here I have the LaCie 2 terabyte solid state drive, which is USB-C, so it will be very quick for me to back up all of my video files onto. I also have a charger for AA's, which is going in the H4n. This is the Ulanzi adapter that I can put on top of my camera. That way I can mount the Zoom H4n and a light side by side. That's gonna look epic. This is awesome. It's the Kingston Nucleum. It has USB-C on here. There's USB 3.0, there's SD and micro SD, and it is USB-C, which means this thing is hecka fast as far as transferring files, because my Alienware M15 does not have a micro SD or an SD card slot. Other than that, I have some battery chargers. I have a marker in here just in case I need it for anything. I have some SD cards in this little compartment thing that I've been using for years and years. Yeah, I think I covered everything. I'm about to run out of battery, so I need to charge this battery so I am actually ready for CES. So I'm gonna go ahead and go. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for subscribing. I hope you love all of the content coming out of CES 2020. Until the next video, which is probably in a few hours, let's be honest, I'm Shannon Morse. Thank you so much to my s'mores. Thank you to Lenovo for bringing me out to CES 2020. I will see you very shortly. Bye.